just arrived at Bond Street Station, and right now I'm on my way to Hyde Park to take some photos. So that's going to be a very chill morning. Actually, when I say chill, I mean with both meanings, because right now I think it's 4 degrees, but I'm well prepared, and it's not raining, but it's supposed to be. So yeah, it's a bit of sleep too. This was your weather forecast. Welcome. Unsurprisingly, this is a very posh area of London, but I'm not sure I've gone there often. Usually I go out at Green Park Station and just go through Green Park in order to go to Hyde Park because it's a bit more lovely. But I was more feeling like taking some busy streets today. Yeah, not that busy, but at 8 a.m. So this is Marble Arch. Oh, that's my turn to cross. So here's Marble Arch with ping pong tables there, or like tennis table. Table tennis, I don't know how you say this in English. Yeah, and Hyde Park, just right there. So that's Hyde Park, and I'm in this corner there. I usually do that, so I'm going to walk there and see that part of the lake. So now it's nearly 9 a.m. and I am there on the red dot. So there, and maybe I'm going to go this way. I have finally reached the Serpentine Lake. That's a heron's nest. Wait, are those people about to swim? Or coming back from a swim actually? So I am here where there's a red dot. I'm really slow and it's nearly 10 a.m. and I would like to go back home at 11. So I think instead of going back, I'm going to walk there and go either to the Lancaster Gate station or Queensway, probably Queensway, and just walk around there. The Arch by Henry Moore. I think that's a palace there, as you can see through the arch. So the one before is called the Serpentine. This part is called the Long Water, and here that's the Italian Gardens. There. So these are the Italian Gardens. So yeah, that's the end of the Long Water, and now I'm just going to walk a little bit more in the park and then go to the Queensway station to go back home. I have no idea what my face looks like right now, but anyway, I've been taking a few photos of the Instax Hyde, so I'm going to show you what they look like now. From this way, I'm going to exit this way.